Time to make some thick and creamy mac and cheese today, boys. Let's get the freaking water on the fire or whatever. I don't know what to do. Start this thing up. There we go. And get this. Yeet. Oh, I almost landed on my toe. Yep. It's hard with one hand. Thick boys. Thick boy mac and cheese. Just waiting for the stinking water to boil. Let's get that ASMR going. Turn the box around. Oh yeah. Now we wait. How long? 9 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. Okay, whatever. Maybe we wait. Yeah, get that boil going. Woo! Okay, I think we're almost ready to check the thick mac and cheese noodles. Just gonna set my fan down over here. It's actually very useful. It's literally just plugged into a USB. It's a 5-volt fan. So I'm just gonna get a knife to test the noodles. So you just scoop out some noodles here, and you just take the knife and you cut one of them. And if it cuts really easy, it's done. If it's like feels like rubbery when you cut it, it's not done. It's got to be like the perfect. I don't know. It's just the way my mom taught me anyway. So. I got this little trick with this little fan that was in my laptop cooling pad. It's not a very good fan for laptop cooling, so I just got it and just use it for cooking, I guess. It was on the router for a while. It didn't really do anything, so I'm just use the fan to see. Let it sit for a minute. The bubbles start to rise up, and you just put the fan in, and they die down. You gotta make sure you gotta keep stirring them. This works a lot better than like stirring like this, just up and down like this. This works. Okay, so let's just strain these now. Oh yeah. Put this back over here. This is dripping, whatever. I actually just set it on the sink and then strain it and whatever. But just turn that down. Just turn them. Need, where is it? Yeah, 4 tablespoons of butter and a half cup of 2%. Okay, so now we're just gonna need 4 tablespoons of butter. Just use the back of the knife to cut it. It's a lot, actually, considering the fact that we have so much mac. We're gonna need it. And we're gonna need, if I can find a measuring cup, wherever the heck it is. Where's the measuring cup at?
In there.
It's not.
It's in here.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, you got it.
So we're gonna need a half cup of milk.
Detergent with that.
It's fine. We washed it. So we're gonna need a half cup of milk, like it said. Boom. And we're just gonna yeet that in there. Take our butter. Don't worry, I washed my hands. And now we're gonna need our cheese. Dump it in. Yeet. Take our spoon, or whatever you want to call it, and just mix it till that butter is gone. Okay, so when you're mixing it like this and you just put the noodles in after you strain them, always put it on low and then just stir it in a circle. But when you're cooking, you do this, like wiping a window, and like up and down like this. It helps keep them off the bottom when they're cooking. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. homemade mac and cheese.